Good morning, Old Bull here. Rained almost all night last night. Didn't sleep real well, but got to sleep about 3 o'clock this morning. Cramped up a little bit. Cloudy day today, maybe some thunder showers this afternoon. Yesterday was an interesting day. I left Pennsylvania 309 about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I got in here, I guess it was about 5:30. Knife's Edge was an interesting challenge, but after Knife's Edge going northbound was really rough. I think this is probably the roughest part of the trail I've experienced in the miles that I've hiked. So I'm going to see what today brings. Kelly's going to pick me up tonight, or unless I make some other arrangements, and look forward to seeing you soon. Catch you later. God bless. Hi, good morning. Old Bull here. Morning of day 2. Be coming off the trail today. Don't know what the trail's going to bring. The George Outerback shelter is about 7 miles from here, so I'll be stopping there for probably lunch, and then it's not that far to the river, and I'll make a decision into Palmerton and decide what I'm going to do. So I'll be back to you later. Old Bull out. It is 8:40 Tuesday morning. Forgot to mention that. So catch you later. Looks like we have our first fun for the day. A little bit of a rock scramble. Catch you later. Did I mention it was a rock scramble on wet rocks? Just makes it a little bit more challenging, going right up there. Well, this is very poorly marked. I don't see any white blazes. Had my first fall. These rocks are really wet, so just got to figure out where I'm going. Looked at my gut hook app, and it looks like I'm still on the trail, but we'll have to see. So catch you later. Crossing over a power line, you can see it's real foggy. Goes down that way through them rocks. It goes back into the woods over there. There's a tower, probably a cell tower. Really can't see anything down in the valley that way. So just came from that direction, and doing pretty good. Just have to be careful on these rocks. Old Bull, catch you later. Just crossed Ashfield Road. Have about a fire tower or cell tower. Got about a nice looking trail. Get away from those big rocks maybe for a while, hopefully. I'll catch you later. Big deer. I don't know if well, I'm about a mile from the George Outer Bridge shelter. I'm gonna eat lunch there. Trail's been pretty good. A little bit rocky in parts, but this is just beautiful. You get used to those little stones. A lot of nice ferns, and it's been nice. It's been good. It's been a good trail. Catch you later. It's all downhill. Can't really get a good idea, but it's been pretty rocky descent going down into Lehigh Gap, where I'll finish up this section. And it's awesome. So it's been a rainy day today. I'll catch you a little bit later. All right, I see civilization. Gonna be coming down to the Lehigh River. I'm not going up that today. That was caused by zinc mining back in the 80s. This is awesome. I'm coming out of the woods. Had a great hike. Catch you later. Well, I'm crossing over the Lehigh River. That's the other side of Lehigh Gap, which I'll do at another time. It's about 1,000-foot climb up there. It's all rock. You see, there's the Lehigh River. This is awesome. Give you a shot of the river in a minute. All right. Crossing the river. Okay. Awesome.